Welcome back, 7th graders, to our 1,000,000th edition of Screencast-O-Matic. Today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to go to a new website. It's called Voicethread.com. So what I'd like you to do is first open up Internet Explorer, and then you'll see the West Fargo homepage. Up in the URL box, go ahead and type Voicethread, one word, .com. Voicethread, THREAD.com, and hit enter. You'll see a screen that looks like this. In the upper right hand corner you will see a sign in or register button. Go ahead and click that. And then you are going to, on the left hand side, click register since we don't have an account. Register. And you're going to type in your information. So your first name, last name, and then we're going to fake an email address here. So we're going to type first name dot last name at West Fargo, one word, .com. And then we're going to re-enter that one more time. And our password is going to be our lunch number. Re-enter that. And then you have to type these funky words. Once you've done that, go ahead and click register down here at the bottom. And after you've registered, I'd like you to record this information on that half sheet of paper I gave you. And you are going to tape it into your planner so we don't have any issues next time we go to use VoiceThread. You may have your screen open that looks somewhat like this. If you do, that's perfect. That's exactly. Right now I'm going to give you a few minutes to create a picture for your representation or your avatar. So go ahead and click on the down arrow here, and you're going to click on My Identities. You can go ahead and edit yourself, select an image, make sure your name is your first and last name capitalized because names are capitalized, 7th graders. Then you can select an image to choose from. You can choose an online image, or you can use just what they've given you. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to monkey with that. Now that you have your image perfectly set, we're going to go back to a new tab and click on our home page. Next, we are going to click on the Student tab. We're going to go down to SharePoint. Go ahead and click the link down here at the bottom, and you are going to find our classroom website. So remember, I'm not on the first set of B's. You have to scroll down, click the over button, then scroll up to find Danette Brown. Click on the link, and you should see our classroom website. You're going to go ahead and click on the left-hand side, Class Documents. And then there should be a link that says VoiceThread Links. Go ahead and click on that. Now, depending on which group you're in or which book you're reading, you're going to have a different VoiceThread, so it's important that you pay attention to what you're clicking on. If you are in the land, you can go ahead and click on the first VoiceThread link, and up should pop the VoiceThread. You should see a screen like this. This will be the title slide of the land's VoiceThread. You can go ahead and click that over arrow and then listen to the directions that I'm about to read. Describe in detail the relationship between Paul and Mitchell. Make sure to cite specific examples from the text. I will orally state the expectation, and I will also write it in text. My suggestion to you is that before you respond to this question, that you write down your thoughts on a sheet of paper. I'm looking for good, meaty thoughts, responses. That means you have to cite specific examples from the text and include page numbers. That's going to be an important part of your grade. To comment, all you have to do is click on the comment button, and you have two options. You can record. You are required to record one response, or you may type your response. If you decide to type, go ahead and click it, and then you just start typing away. Okay, remember to cite your page numbers and your sources. Let's say you don't like that, you decide you want to use your voice instead, go ahead and click cancel. Then you're going to click the record button. Up will pop the Adobe Flash Player setting. Just click allow. And right now you're recording a thought. So when you finish, click stop recording. It will enable you to listen to it. It's processing. Give it a second. You can listen to your response to make sure it's what you want. And right now you're recording a thought. So when you finish, click stop recording. And then if you like it, you can click save. If not, cancel and re-record. You must answer each question on each slide. So that will vary depending on which book you're reading. But again, remember, you have to record at least one, and you may type your other responses. I would prefer if you would record more than one, but the choice is yours. After you finish, you will see a little screen pop up on the side here. Then that allows me to go ahead, when I'm grading these, click on it and see what you have to say. Finally, record. Simple as that. Right now, you have the remainder of class to monkey with your voice threads. All of the questions need to be answered by the end of class. That is the expectation. Once you finish, log off, put your computers away, and read a book.